Hello and welcome to our podcast, Chill Thrills, where we bring you the hottest, or should I say coldest news from the refrigeration industry. I'm Elena, your host, ready to breeze through the top 5 stories that got everyone talking last week. And remember, you can find these and more riveting news stories in full on our website, refindustry.com. So bundle up and let's get started. First up, Hussmann, a part of the Panasonic family, is making waves with its new Protocol CO2 refrigeration unit as part of its Evolve Technologies collection. Known for its minimal environmental impact, using R744 or CO2 as a refrigerant, this system is setting a new standard with a global warming potential of just 1. It's perfect for indoor setups, and thanks to some nifty engineering, it saves energy while maintaining a compact footprint. Great news for those looking to remodel with sustainability in mind. Next, in a brand transformation tale, CCR Commercial Refrigeration, once part of Carrier, is freshening up its identity post its acquisition by Haier. With a cool new logo and vibe, CCR is stepping into the future as a standalone entity. This rebranding comes after a whopping $775 million sales completion. Who knew cooling off the market could be this exciting? Our third story takes us to Belgium and Luxembourg, where Trane Technologies has welcomed Gradius into its fold. As a new branch of Thermo King Belux, Gradius brings its expertise and local presence into a wider global reach under Trane. This merger will surely amp up the levels of service and innovation, bringing some cool advancements to transport refrigeration. We love a good joining of forces. In market news, the global Transcritical CO2 systems market is on fire. Figuratively, of course. Expected to soar to over $156 billion by 2031, driven by the need for eco-friendly refrigeration solutions, supermarkets and the food industry are paving the way. With tech advancements making these systems more efficient in warm climates, it sounds like we're heading toward a chillier and greener future. Finally, exciting news from Embraco as they gear up to start manufacturing compressors in India. Set to open in 2026, this Maharashtra-based facility will have an annual output of 6 million units. This will not only create jobs, but will also increase the availability of energy-efficient compressors. It's a big push forward in supporting both residential and commercial refrigeration demands while ramping up local production. And that's a wrap for today's frosty headlines. Thank you for chilling with us, and don't forget to read more about these stories on refindustry.com. Until next time, stay cool, keep it fresh, and tune in for more updates in the ever-evolving world of refrigeration. I'm Elena, signing off from Chill Thrills. Have a great day.